When you're putting together a winning athletic team, you look for people who are adaptable, dependable, efficient, and dedicated. It's those same qualities that are found in a winning design team as well.
ADS Sports and Recreation is a specialized structural and MEP engineering company dedicated around sports and athletic facility projects.
I think one advantage that using ADS Sports is that we have experience working on a day-to-day basis with the architect.
The goal of ADS Sports and Recreation is to deliver a quality of service to architects and building owners.
From the first meeting, whenever we initially shake your hand, to the last day, whenever we're finally wrapping everything up, we always give you our absolute best and we always strive for excellence. And that's not something that comes from one day of hard work. That's something we've been working on for years.
There are very little big challenges. There's a lot of little challenges. And I think that's where we can distinguish ourselves as we take care of those little challenges that add up. I think fan experience is the most important thing to worry about when you have a sports project.
It's the driving force whenever it comes to sports. The attention to detail whenever it comes to fan experience, climate control, lighting, the structure of the facility. You want your facility to be one of those places that people enjoy playing at, not only visiting.
We've done projects all over the US. We've done projects for Major League Baseball, for the NCAA, for the Big 12, for NBA, and each one of those has a unique challenge.
And then recently we've been involved with scoreboard projects for Panasonic all across the country, and we're finding that those types of projects are more dynamic and they have what we call a sexy quality, so to speak, because more people can relate to them.
We try to give all of our clients that special attention, even if they're in our backyard whenever it comes to Morgantown or in larger metropolis areas such as Indianapolis, Nashville, Atlanta.
From the scoreboard to the backstop netting behind the field goal to the stadium itself. There really isn't a sports type of project that we haven't seen.
But we see the design team as an offshoot of what a sports team is in terms of everybody working together.
When you're looking to be more successful with sports and athletic facility projects, you want to make sure that the expertise of your design team can meet the challenges of the project, especially whenever half the building's cost is going to be in structure and MEP systems.
Whenever I walk into a facility that I had my fingerprints on, or if I was able to contribute to, it's one of those things where I can show my grandkids that.
These projects are so cool because when you can bring your family and you can sit down and watch a game in a stadium that you built, there's not a feeling that's like that.
The game almost seems like a secondary thing as opposed to looking at the ballpark, and it's the views and the venues and everything that are there.
It just gives you so much pride to have been part, just to have been one little piece of this huge project that came together and brought out the best of everybody to really make things happen.